Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 4th of December. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do that. Click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we can see at first, this is the move that we are expecting on AUD USD. A drop here. This is a corrective wave. This is the drop near lower lows, and the corrective wave is playing out. I've covered weekly analysis on this. So we are heading straight to a level of 0.68. So once we can get that, then we will start expecting another drop. So this drop will only play out around that January-February period. This drop will play out January-February period. But for now, December, we are still heading to this level of 0.68. So basically, if you trade AUD USD and you will need more in-depth analysis, potential entry points, exit points, then we are going to cover it on the Patreon channel, which is currently going on for like for a 40% discount. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link. Once you join, then you can now request for more in-depth analysis on AUD USD, the potential move. And by the way, we'll be expecting major news. What is not Beats Tuesday, Wednesday. I think it's about interest rate and every other thing. That is going to have a very huge effect on AUD. So if you would want to know how these pairs will move during that interest rate news, right? All you just have to do is, subscribe to the Patreon channel. There are major news that will be coming up this week on AUD, and it is going to affect it. So I just want you to pay attention to it. So if you will need help on how to trade it properly, then you can join us. You will find the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. So back quick analysis, AUD USD is now ready for a breakout, meaning we should be expecting to give us a new higher highs. Possibly we might see a little bit of a pullback here, probably then a new higher highs will play out, thereby taking out this previous high. So AUD USD is ready for a new higher highs.